Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. I'm here at Disney World in Orlando to test out the Nikon Z6. Now, we're recording on the Z6 right now with the 24-70 f4S lens. Now, I want to share with you 5 RAW files. One of them goes up to 5,000 ISO in a concert setting, and then another one is at 250, and then the others are at 400. So you can download the RAW files at the link below right here, and you can play with them, open them in Lightroom, and see what you think to see if you like them or don't like them. But let's take a look at these real quick. So this is done with the 50-1.8S. It is the brand new lens that, well, this camera and this lens combination, they're not even out yet. But I just wanted to share with you this bad boy. Throw a quick preset onto there, color boomify. I'd probably pull back a little bit on it, but this is at 5,000 ISO. Let's show you where it started. This is the crappy lighting situation that I was in. Atrociously horrible. I'm at 1/800th of a second at f2.8 with ISO 500. The reason I was at 2.8 is because I wanted a little bit more leeway. I was having a little bit of trouble with the focus because it's super low light, but check out how it looks when it's processed. Basically what I did here is I went over to my black and white boomify and I tweaked it just a little bit. I'll show you. I did boomify and then just brightened it up a little bit, so boomify gave me a great starting point. So this is a cool file to download because it's also done with the 50-1.8S. Moving on to the next one, we've got an alligator done with a 200 to 500 5.6. You can go ahead and look at this, super duper sharp at 5.6, 1/1250th of a second. Download that raw file, play with it. And then a birdie bird flying, which actually I was pretty amazed that I could use a 200 to 500 and handhold it because that is a heavy lens. But what I would do here is I would go over to Skittles. Skittles is a nice and vibrant preset that we have, and it just does a really good job here. And if you don't like Skittles, you could go to Universal Soldier, which pulls back a little bit, or even Waffle House, which I like with the vignette. Now, the last photo is pretty cool. It was super, super hazy out when we were photographing this with the 500mm 5.6, which is a killer lens. But check out what you can do with just dehaze. Dehaze cuts through it. Now, I want to share this file with you because it's not the most perfect lit shot because of how hazy it was early in the morning in the swamps down here in Florida, but I think it's a cool photo. And I'd love to see what you guys do with it, but also to give you a challenging raw file, because not every file that I'm going to share with you should be perfect. This is the right exposure, just not great lighting, but I want you to go ahead and play with that. So don't forget, you can download these 5 RAW files down below as DNGs because they will open in Lightroom because they are DNGs. And if you want to check out our presets, you can go to FroKnowsPhoto.com/presets where you can play with all of the ones that we have there, all 14 of them, to see if you like them. If you do, go ahead and pick them up because they are on sale right now for 40% off. We'll have a full real-world review for you in the next couple of weeks, hopefully. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.